the rate of decay, so we have the rate of decay of a radioactive element is known to be exponential. So the moment we see that, we can immediately say, well, N equals A E at some K times T. Right, just by saying the rate of decay is known to be exponential. Initially, when there's 50 grams, so what they tell us is when initially, so when time is 0, the rate of decay. Now, the rate of decay means dN, the rate of decay, which means how much decay there is per time, is 0.25 grams per day. Because it's decay, it's going to be negative 0.25. Negative 0.25. Okay, so we also know that at the start, initially, A equals 50 grams. So I can see that N equals 50 e to the power kT. That's all I have. Usually they gave me 2 pieces of information, now they only give me this. So I can differentiate this in terms of dN dt. So I can say dN dt equals, and I can differentiate this. 50 e to the power something, so 50e stays 50 e to the power something, multiplied by the derivative of this thing. And the derivative of kT is k. Okay. Now what do we know? We know that if time is 0, then dN dt equals negative 0.25. In other words, if time is 0, then 50 e to the power k times 0, t is 0, times k equals negative 0.25. Now k times 0 is 1, e to the power, k to the power 0 is 0, e to the power 0 is 1, which means this is 50k equals negative 0.25. Therefore, k equals 0.25 divided by 50, and that gives us a k of negative 0.005. So I have now an formula. I have N equals 50 e to the power negative 0.005 t. Okay, so that is my expression. In B now they ask us, how long does it take for the amount of isotope to decrease to 25 grams? Okay, so when this N is 25, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute 25 in there. 25 equals 50 e to the power 0.005 t, divide by 50 on both sides, so e to the power minus 0.005 t equals 25 divided by 50 is 0.5. I'm going to take ln both sides. If I take ln both sides, that goes to the front, it becomes negative 0.005 t, ln e is 1, and that equals the ln of 0.5. So t equals ln 0.5 divided by negative 0.005, and my answer will be 138.6 days. Okay, that is what is the half-life of the isotope. So for future references, this is very important. If it goes from 50 grams to 25 grams, 138.6 days is how long it takes for any substance to halve its mass. So it will take 138.6 days to go from 50 grams to 25 grams.